ChatGPT conversation into a PDF using the ChatGPT share link. So here you can see I am on ChatGPT and I have searched for something like explain the mathematics behind Einstein field equations. Now here is the response of ChatGPT that I got, and suppose I want to send it to someone as a PDF or as a document with all formatting preserved, then there's an easier way to do it. All you have to do is copy the share link of that response, and if you have a conversation that has like multiple ChatGPT conversations also, then you can easily export the entire conversation thread to someone else using this share button right here. So when you go to your ChatGPT and go to the conversation thread that you want to export, just go to the top right hand corner and you will see the ChatGPT share link here. So click on that link. It will open a share modal like this, and hit this button called copy link. So press this button, you will see the message here that says link copied. Once you see that, go to this website which is called bibcit.com, Bibcit, bibcit.com, and you just have to open this service called as MassiveMark AI powered document creator in here. Just click on try now, and okay, you have to be logged in to access the service, so just log in with Google. I'll just click on login with Google. You are at MassiveMark playground now. All that you have to do is click on this red icon to insert your copied content. So but we want to do it using the share link. Still, you have to click on this icon, and here you will see an option that says convert from ChatGPT share link. So you'll hit this box and paste your ChatGPT share link here. So it'll be of this form, chatgpt.com/share/something. So in this you can see chatgpt.com/share/something. So this kind of a link, I'll just click fetch message here, and what it will do is it'll pull the entire conversation from ChatGPT, and my conversation has like 3 different responses from ChatGPT because I asked 3 different questions in the entire thread. And I'll just wait for the responses to come here. So you can see this is moving and it's trying to fetch those responses. It can take up to a minute or so to do that. Okay, so yeah, it says we found 3 messages. Pick the ones you want in your document. So this is the first question that I asked, this is the second question that I asked, and this is the third question that I asked. So 3 things I search across ChatGPT. Now you can either select all of them, or you can select 1 or 2 or 3, whichever you want to export. So I'll just keep all of them. So I'll just press select all, and here it says insert 3 messages. So you can see I have inserted, and all the messages that were there have been copied in here. Now the good thing about this is that I can even edit it. Suppose I don't want to send this, so maybe what I can do is I can remove this portion from here. Let's say I don't want to send number 9, so I'll just edit this and remove this from here. You can even see there are citations in here. So let's say I don't want to send this. I don't want to send this portion which says if you tell me blah blah blah. So I'll just remove all this portion from in here, and anything else that I want to edit or make pretty, I'll just retain whatever I want to keep and discard the rest. So I'll edit it out. Even if I want to add something, here is a general explanation I'm adding for you to see. So all kinds of editing you can do this in this message before you share So now I'll just hit the download button and download as DOCX or download as PDFs.